Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about the motions on a vertical circle. Clear? So, the body of mass m tied on a string at one end and rotating in a vertical circle. It is vertical circle with radius here r. And the lowest point and the highest point. The body passing the point n with the velocity u and the point p with the velocity v. At point P, mg the weight of the body resolved into two components, mg cos theta and mg sin theta. The tension T acts in the opposite direction to the mg cos theta. So velocity at the point P. First write down m mass of the body, r radius, T your tension of the string, then weight, that is mg, real two component, one is mg cos theta and mg sin theta. Okay. So the velocity at the point P. According to law of conservation of energy, the energy at point N equal to total energy at point P. So kinetic energy plus potential energy at point N equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy at point P. The kinetic energy here is half mv square. Potential energy at I is equal to 0. It is 0. The kinetic energy at point P, that is half mv square, and potential energy is your mgh. Clear? Now, according to the equations, it is your half mv square is equal to half mv square mgh. Okay. Cancelling the factor m both sides, so half v square equal to half v square minus gh. Multiplying to both sides, it became v square minus 2gh, and that is that v is equal to v square minus 2gh under root. So this is the velocity equation. It is 1 at point P. Now here actually it is not h minus r, it is r minus h. Okay, so you have to correct this one. R minus h, this part totally r, it is your h part. Now tension of the string. The tension is act in opposite direction to mg cos theta, one of the component of mg. Clear? It is mg cos theta, it is mg sin theta. The weight results into two components, mg cos theta and mg sin theta. So here the tension at point P is your P is equal to P minus mg cos theta is equal to your net centripetal force mv square by r, and P equal to mv square by r plus mg cos theta. The v value is your v square minus 2gh root over. It is your v square minus 2gh by r. Now mg. The cos theta value is of this equation is this triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, cos theta equal to your v by h. It means OQ by OP, that is your r minus h by r. OP is your r. Here, now put here m v square minus 2gh by r plus m r minus h by r. Okay. Taking m by r common outside, the equation became v square minus 2gh plus your gr minus gh. Okay. Now T is equal to m by r square plus dr minus 3gh, minus 2gh and minus g, minus 3gh. Okay. So this is the equation of tension of the string. Equation 2. The velocity equation is 1, this is your equation 2. Okay. Tension of the string at point N and point P. Sorry, M that is. At the lowest point, at the highest point, M that is. Okay. So your tension of the string at point N, the lowest point, and at point M, the highest point. At lowest point, you know that the tension equal to it is your M by R square plus dr minus 3gh. So at point N, h equal to 0, at that point h equal to 0. So the equation became E equal to m by r square plus dr. Okay. It is your at point N. Now at the highest point, at point M now. At this point, what is the tension of the string? It is, they put H equal to 2R. So E is equal to M by R. Put in this equation square plus dh minus, it is your, in place of h write down 2r, it is 6gr. Okay. So tension at the highest point equal to m by r square plus gh minus 6gr, and also put here, sorry, it is your r square minus 5dr. This is the final equation. M by r into e square minus 5dr. So it is your p value. P is equal to your e square minus 5dr into m by r. And here the tension is equal to m by r e square plus dr, because h equal to 0 here. Clear? The body will cross the highest point M without slaking if your tension at the highest point greater than equal to 0. Okay. So the highest point, the tension is, it is m by r square minus 5dr 0. Then it is square equal to 5dr greater than equal to 0, that is, and u is greater than equal to 5dr under root. So this is the minimum velocity with which the body crosses the lowest point N. Clear? So u is equal to 5dr under root. This is the minimum velocity that the body crosses the lowest point N. Now the minimum velocity at the highest point M. The minimum velocity at the highest point M. For this, v square is equal to u square minus 2gh square, that is your 2 into g as usual 2r, then u square minus it is your 4gr. Okay, and here u square equal to 5gr. It is your 4gr. Now it is gr under root. So this is the minimum velocity at the highest point m. The square value is equal to 5gr root, that is square is equal to 5gr. Okay. So this is the velocity at the highest point and lowest point, at point N and point M.